I mash the potatoes and blend the carrots. This pancake shocked me. Peel and cut into medium chunk. Cutting into medium pieces help potato cook evenly. If pieces are too big, outside cook, inside stay hard. Put potatoes inside pot, add water until it just cover the potatoes. Boil on a medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Insert fork if e goes in easily without force. Overboiled potato absorb water, making the pancake become soggy. Leave on a low heat 30 to 60 seconds. This remove extra moisture and improve crispiness. Don't mind me, I'm using spoon instead of fork. Mash potato while still warm. Mash until smooth, no big lumps. Warm potato mash easily and mix better with eggs. Wait, this step decide if your pancake will break or flip clean. Cold potatoes equals the lumpy mixture. Crack in 1 egg. Add blended carrot to your mashed potato. Add one small fine chopped onions. Mix everything together until eggs are fully absorbed. If your pancake is always soft, you are doing this part wrong. Half cup of grated carrot and a tablespoon of green pepper. Egg bind everything together since there is no flour. Heat pan on a medium heat and add in your oil and spread evenly. Scoop mixture into pan, spread gently into round shape. Thickness about 1 to 5 cm. Too thick raw center, too dry pancake. Cook time 3 to 4 minutes. Edge look dry, bottom is golden. Pancake moves freely. This is the exact moment it turns crispy. If this recipe helps you, follow Easy Bite for recipe that actual work. And here we go, our easy crispy potato pancake is ready. Enjoy my lovely people and follow Easy Bite for more recipe that actual work. Thank you.